Do you have this mindset that YouTube makes people a millionaire? Or are you one of them that think that once you get monetized, you start making $1 million? Or some of you have been monetized, yet you are earning a very low revenue and you remain poor on YouTube for some years? Then this video is for you. A lot of you wanted to jump into YouTube race, and some of you are already having YouTube channels, have been in the race for years, growing your channel, but you are not making revenue as wanted after all your struggles. So that is why before you jump into YouTube in 2025, you need to have some basic information about the kind of niche, about the kind of channel you operate, so that you don't make that mistake. Hello guys, welcome to OCHE'S Tech, and in today's video I'm going to show you what YouTube niche is all about and you selecting the best niche in 2025 that can make you a millionaire, and the type of niche that actually pays well on YouTube. So stick on guys. If you are new to this channel, welcome, and don't forget to click the subscribe button. And to my existing subscribers, thank you for always supporting me. So YouTube niche is just your area of expertise in your channel. Let's say you have a YouTube channel. What your channel is all about, what you discuss, is just your area of specialty that allows audience to gather and be interested and subscribe to your channel. So your area of focus is just what YouTube niche is all about. So selecting area of focus is very, very important as you join this YouTube race 2025. We have different kind of niches on YouTube, ranging from health and fitness, beauties and fashion, gaming, cooking, personal finances, comedy, entertainment, technology, personal advice, DIY, quotes, travel, and vlogs. So choosing the best niche is the best decision you can ever make on YouTube, because like I told you, it's not everybody on YouTube that are making the same kind of revenue. The fact that you have millions of views doesn't mean you are making millions of dollars on YouTube. But somebody else on YouTube can have thousands of views and still be making millions of dollars. Yes, it depends on the kind of niche you find yourself and selecting the best niche that has high revenue. Though making money on YouTube is not just about the niche, it has a lot of factors ranging from the kind of niche, ads placement, advertisers demand, target audience, demography, and time of the year. But the niche you find yourself contributes significantly to how much you make on YouTube. Let me be sincere with you. A lot of you have been asking questions, how do I select the best niche 2025? For those people that have intention of starting, this is the best time. You don't have to waste time starting YouTube. This is the best time. If you have made that mistake last year or the previous years, this is the best time to start. So selecting the best niche 2025. How do you select the best niche? Knowing that it is all niches are not having the same pay. There are differs in terms of payment, in terms of revenues, in terms of ad placement, in terms of advertisers demand. So somebody in animal niche would be earning differently from somebody in gaming niche, or somebody in plants or crops or agricultural niche. So that's it, and that's how it works. So now selecting the best niche 2025 depends on you, because a lot of persons have been asking questions. Can I go into folktales channel? Can I go into storytelling channel? Can I go into quote channel? Can I go into relationship channel? What can I do? Can I go into DIY, do it yourself? They have been thinking of what niche to go into, what is the best niche they can go into. The answer lies on you, and it depends on you, and the best answer to it is you have to do what you know best. what you are good in. The good thing about that is that it is the passion to continue that matters. Time is coming, you are going to earn a lot of revenues depending on your niche. Do what you can contribute best. Do what you have a lot of ideas, what you have passion for. Don't just jump into a particular niche because other people are doing well in it. Focus on the niche you are good at, and definitely you are going to make a lot of revenue. And most of you are not just being innovative at all. You are copying and recreating other people's content, other channels, and that is not the best approach to YouTube. And that is why a lot of you struggle for views when you join YouTube or when you create a YouTube channel. So therefore, selecting the best niche depends on you. Do what you know best. So what are the highest paying niche on YouTube? First, paying niche on YouTube range from educational or tutorial videos. These are niches that pay very, very well. I must be sincere with you. Secondly, we have tech reviews, like technological reviews. Third, we have entertainment, we have health and fitness, we have gaming, we have personal finance, we have beauties and fashion, travel vlogs, we have DIY and craft. The DIY is the do it yourself. Do you know that a lot of DIY craft has a lot of views, thousands of views, because people want to know what you are trying to create. It's a kind of innovations, creating things and being innovative. So if you've learned something in this video, do well to give it a thumbs up. If you have a question at the end of this video, do well to drop your question at the comment section. And for those of you that have not started, start now. The best time was yesterday. Another best time now is today. Create your YouTube channel and start now. Thanks for watching till this very moment. Do have a lovely day.